Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're here with another 159 Highroof Promaster. It's our latest build. We just got done at the Adventure Van Co. van show in Evergreen, Colorado. This baby sold in one day, and we can't wait to show it to you. As I mentioned earlier, this beautiful build was done on our bread and butter, the 159 Highroof Promaster. But with this one, we actually listened to your call and feedback, so what you're going to see is some exterior features added and a few more goodies inside. And yes, this did not disappoint at the Adventure Van Expo, as she actually sold in about 3 hours. We built this out on our most popular layout, the Bonnie build, which includes an overhead pantry, paper towel holder, and built-in spice racks. Above the sink is your water pump turn-on and your gray water release button. A nice pull-down faucet complements the deep 15 by 17 inch sink. Under the sink you have the switch to the 2.5 gallon hot water heater, the Blue Technologies water filter, and storage for your cooking propane. The kitchen is equipped with a dual burner propane cooktop for all of your cooking. Underneath that is a very generously sized cutlery and utensil drawer, and an isotherm Cruise 85 fridge, which we feel is the perfect size for van life. Both captain chairs we put on swivels, and with the kitchen flip up, the best seat in the house is created. The living room has 2 large overhead cabinets. Below the couch are 4 equal-sized drawers that provide a ton of storage. You'll see our use of the leather handles as well, which really helps with the home-like feel. And of course, under the closet is storage for your toilet. The Bonnie build has the built-in closet that most everyone loves. The bedroom space is equipped with a short queen mattress to comfortably fit most people 6 feet and under. The 2 largest overhead cabinets are in the bedroom for all of your clothing storage. And we finally did it. We added a Dometic RTX 2000 AC in the bedroom. Also in the bedroom is the Webasto thermostat, the remote for the 2 Max Air fans, another zone of dimmable lights, extra USBs, and 2 more 110 outlets. And 2 reading lights with 2 separate modes. We love storage, and our Vandemic garages never disappoint on that. A huge update in this van is the all-in-one electrical system from Terravan Solar. This system has 460 amp hours of lithium, a 3000 watt inverter, 660 watt alternator charger, and a 660 watt MPPT charger. Here's a clean shot of the water heater on the passenger side. Rounding out the garage is the water tank, inlet, and heated outdoor shower. And here are the exterior upgrades. A flatline Van Company roof rack and ladder. You can see the low profile Dometic AC better here. As always, there's 400 watts of solar. These all tie together so nicely and really adds to the look of this incredible build. We also added running boards on this van, and as always, we upgraded the tires for added traction. That's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do us a favor, give us a thumbs up on the video. Also, down below, make sure you let us know what your favorite feature in this build was. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you are so you can catch every new van that comes available. And again, something like this could be yours. Just reach out to us either in the comments below or on any social media platform. We'd love to talk to you. If we can help more people get into van life, that's what it's all about. Thank you guys again.
Like and subscribe!